real-life safety. This philosophy applies to all Mercedes-Benz and Smart vehicles. The main focus in their car-to-car crash tests is the compatibility of vehicles of different sizes and weights. Smart versus S-Class looks pretty much like David versus Goliath. And they will collide to demonstrate their high safety standards. Thanks to its tritium cell, the Smart's passenger compartment remains intact. A hard shell protects the soft core. At Daimler, safety is no matter of size. The forces on the occupants were significantly lower than the biomechanical limits. Test passed once again.